Hi guys, this is Adi from Norcal Outdoor. Now I want to install kill switch, additional kill switch. I already have a kill switch here. I want to install the one with the lanyard here. So I already drill it. So I want to put it here, just beside the key. This is the key, the starter key. So I want to put it here. So if you already have a kill switch here, maybe that's good, but I still thinking that I still need it. If somebody else driving it, I want them to use it, or maybe me too. Sometimes if something happen, we don't have time to turn it off, right? So this kill switch will help us from prevent anything bad happen when I mean it will stop the engine if something bad happen, right? So let's see how I do it. So on this kill switch, there's a two pair terminals here. So one, they mark it is I, and the other one is M and M. So I'm not sure why they mark it like that. Usually like normally closed and normally open. So this one is different, but this one is I call this one is normal. This one is condition when we put the this lanyard on it, in it. So here I tested the one that the marker says M and M. And here, so it look like it's saying OL in here. So this one is open. So there's no connection, and the other one all right, the other one has some it's not stable. It's about 100 something ohms, so they have some resistance in here. All right, but the M and M, if I connect it, it's still open. Now I unplug this. It's again M and M. All right, showing some resistance there. That means it's connected. It's almost zero. So that is good. So it's connected. So this one, when I unplug it, this one is like a short circuit. And when I put it on, the one that you code with M and M here, it will like an open circuit. So I want to connect this kill switch directly. I will get a directly connection from this starter here. So I need to take this off. That's good. It's hard to see. This is diagram that I have here for my engine. So you can see the black in here. This is the killer switch. So the killer switch use the black cable and black yellow. So the black cable and black yellow is the same. Black go all the way here to the black on the starter, and also black yellow is connected to the black yellow on the starter switch. So in order to use connected directly to starter switch, I have to make connection between the black and the black yellow. So as you guys see on the diagram, right? On the diagram, I need the cable that the black for the ground and black yellow. This is the black yellow. This is yellow black. This is black yellow. This is the majority is black, and this is yellow. So this one is the condition is on the normal position, standby position, the switch. So I will measure the black and black yellow here. Okay, this is short. If you can see on this multimeter, so my multimeter is showing 000. That means it's short circuit. Hope you guys can see the multimeter there. So now if I turn it on, this is the on position. Put this on the black, and this one is black yellow. So this is an open circuit now. So you can see the showing OL there. So look like this kill switch is normally closed. So when they're on the normal position in here, they are closed. So in here on the on position, they are open again. So they are open. So when the engine running, they are open. So it's shut it off. It will make a short circuit. So I think this kill switch is the short circuit. The switch there make it grounded. So they ground it. That will kill the engine. I think that's the point. So okay, I'm going to connect these two to my kill switch. Then try it. Alright, I already make two cable here. So this cable connected to the amp, the one that we tested before. This one is normally open. So this one is open when the engine run is open. So if I pull it, this one will make a short circuit. So it will close. So this connected to here, and we connect these two here. Right, and put this back. Good. Okay. It's back. And this one. Right, I think that's secure enough. Okay, this here. Right, now I'm going to put hose, the water hose, so my engine can be run cool. So then we can test it. Ready to test it. It's working. So that's it. So that's easy. I don't want to try it for a long time. So I just want to try one. So this one is working, but for your own boat, I'm not sure you have the right, the same cable code or not. Maybe the color is different. So you need to check on your manual, your model, and the cable. So basically that's easy. So you can connect it directly from the switch, because this is the switch is on and off. So we know this one is can kill the engine from on and off. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and again press the like button, please. Thank you again, and good luck for your boat if you want to install the kill switch. Thank you. Bye bye.